Next, we're going to use the Morph Select editing tool to create a gradient effect from minimum building height to maximum building height. So firstly, we've already created a maximum building height. So that's 45 meters. So we want to go into Morpher and create our first maximum building height. So capture current state. So max building height, 45 meters, accept. And then we want to go back into extrude and we want to make the minimum building height, let's say 10 meters, 10. We'll go back into Morpher and we want to click in this empty box under the maximum building height. So here, click empty. And then we want to capture current state and name that minimum building height 10 meters. Accept. So under volume, under Morpher, we want to go and add volume select. Okay, and now we want to go and create the sphere that we'll use as a reference point that will adjust the heights from minimum to maximum. So create that sphere, pull that into the spot that you want it. We can adjust this later. So select the building objects. Then we want to go back into volume select. We want to, so under select by volume, we want to go mesh object, select none, and then select the sphere that we just created. And then to have this gradient effect, we want to use soft selection. Why isn't that letting me select it? Sphere, yes. Hold on. So we need to select vertex. And then we will select the sphere, use soft selection, and then adjust the fall off. And this creates our gradient. So I'll just turn on, we'll go back into Morpher and then adjust our building height to maximum so we can see what this effect is actually doing. And then if I go back into fall off, you can see that if I reduce that, it affects the gradient in which the buildings are raised up. So this is all adjustable. I can move the sphere and the buildings will move accordingly. So just to have a play around with the types of building typologies you could get with this using the minimum and maximum building heights. So it's quite adjustable. And thanks for watching.